Our mission? To discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. Looking for a place to celebrate your kid's birthday? You've got to check out Kidsday Premium Kids Cafe in Meadowbank. In this video, we'll show you what it's like to celebrate a special day here. We're here to celebrate Zyra's first birthday, and the vibe is just perfect. From the colorful setup to the happy faces of friends and family, everything felt warm and welcoming. The theme? Peppa Pig, Calista's favorite too, so you can just imagine how thrilled she was. Kidsday Cafe is filled with play zones, from slides to ball pits and pretend play corners. It's a mini indoor wonderland for little ones. But the biggest surprise? Peppa Pig showed up in person. Even Calista was stunned. Such a magical moment for all the kids. And of course, the highlight, everyone singing happy birthday to the birthday princess Zyra. What a special moment.
Happy birthday, dear Zyra. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Hay que blow your candle.
If you're planning for your child's birthday party, Kidsday Premium Kids Cafe is definitely worth checking out. It's fun, safe, and unforgettable. To Princess Zyra, happy first birthday! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family-friendly places to explore.